Hey guys, Legal Lockpicker here. Welcome to today's episode. We're going to jump into a Brinks home security lock extravaganza soon. But before we get into this, I just want to remind everybody that we still have the Cobra Locks giveaway going on for this month. And if you stay till the end of the video, we'll get into all that good stuff there, plus a few extras. But until then, let's get into the Brinks. You can see what we have in front of us are some Brinks locks that I've never gotten into. I didn't have the time to do them, but now I do. And you can see everything in here is still in the packaging. It's still new. But I feel like for the first one we're going to do is this right here. And the reason why we're doing this one is because it just looks odd to me. They must have it spray painted a kind or whatever that was, and I thought I would get a chance to use my Southord pen pick, especially because Southord still has their sale going on for the month of July where it's like 30% off, and I'll leave that information below as well. 7,000 pounds cut resistance, let's see, 5,000 pounds pry resistance, stainless steel. It doesn't say there's a number here except this one. I guess this is the model 677-44102, and then it gives us the basic stuff on the back. 44 millimeters, yeah. Oh, 4 pins, solid brass cylinder, anti-pick pins. Well, I guess we'll find out about that. So we are going to get into this one too. Alright, don't need that anymore. Alright, so yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It's got that a different feel to it. It's spray painted with something. I think it's just for weather protection. This is the key. I mean, I don't know what that is. This must be a joke. I don't know. Maybe we'll find out. Maybe we'll get lucky. Let's hit it with the bottom of the keyway, shall we? We'll just give that a roll. You can see it's locked. So I'm using a deforest half ball with my Southord Pick-Pen here. I guess I could use the tensioner from the... You know what? That's what we'll do. We'll do that. We'll use the entire Southord pen here. Taking it old school. Oh man. Little hint for you guys, someone's gonna have a really good week. Well, something for all you that watch the channel here. Alright, well, you can see that maybe I can stick it in here. Like, no, that's not gonna work either. Alright, well, we gotta use the card that we're dealt with here. So we'll try it this way. I know it's outrageous, but it's really difficult using a tensioner like this. Come on, you. Alright. I just can't do it like that, so we're gonna have to we'll use bottom and then we'll try again with top. Shall we? Certainly hope so. I just realized my microphone was covered up. guess what? If we can't get this, we're gonna pop out the old TOK something. All right, so we did end up getting it. So that's pretty good. I did have to change to the other tension tool. Oh, there's not even ball bearings in here either. Yikes. So maybe it can be shimmed. Well, that's it, guys, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Brinks padlock thing here. Just so you guys know, we still have that giveaway going on. All you have to do is like this video, be a subscriber, and you have to share the video with your friends and family, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you've had any luck with these Brinks locks here, what you think about them, anything like that. Don't forget, we're also giving away another Mako padlock, not the 427, but we're giving away another Mako padlock with my logo on it. That's right, the original with my logo on it is going out. So if you want to win padlock with my logo from Mako, that's going to be in the same thing as well. Definitely have to comment in here and tell me why you'd want it. Tell me why you'd like it, and that's it. I'm just going to pick the best one, and today's Saturday. I'll pick the winner for that one as well. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to comment and like, and be a subscriber if you want to win. See ya.